Okay, John Crestani here, affiliate marketer, and I'm going to be showing you in this video a walkthrough of the MaxBounty Affiliate Network. Now, anybody, anywhere, in any country, in any location, anywhere in the world, in space, on the moon, on Mars, anywhere in the world can get accepted to this affiliate network. Any age can get accepted to this affiliate network, and you can get paid through almost any method. I even believe they'll pay out in Bitcoin if that's what you want, and if you are a big enough affiliate driving enough traffic. I'll be doing a full walkthrough of this network from the inside. I'll be going over how you can find the top offers. I'll be walking through their dashboard, looking at some of these offers of how you can get paid as much as $40 a lead, even on some of these offers. And I'll be going through all of this on my sheet, which I have figured out how to assess the best affiliate networks through a variety of methods. I'll be giving you a link to apply, and I'll be going over some advanced terms, including allowed traffic types, what server-to-server tracking is, and also what daily cap means. All of this coming up in this video. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here, and today's video I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the MaxBounty Affiliate Network. Now, if you'd like to apply to the network, or if you'd like to follow along, make sure you go to this website, johncrestani.com/networks. And you'll be taken over to this sheet where you can find all of my previous networks that I've reviewed, as well as the videos associated with them right over here. This sheet is updated regularly, and as you'll see, most affiliate networks accept almost all countries. In this case, we're going to be going over the MaxBounty Affiliate Network, which is one of the larger affiliate networks with over 1,400 offers. They do require approval to join, but anybody anywhere in the world can be accepted to this network. Now, give this video a thumbs up if you are excited about learning about an affiliate network that accepts people anywhere in the world. Also, make sure you apply to this network. I'll be going over towards the end a special tip on how you can get accepted. I'll be going over how you can get access to my sheet, which shows you how to get accepted as an affiliate by affiliate networks. And I'll also be giving you a special bonus of software that we built that does a lot of the work for you. Here we are on MaxBounty.com, and once again, to apply to this network, make sure you bring up my page right here, johncrestani.com/networks, and you can click the link right here on MaxBounty or on any of the affiliate networks to apply to them. Or you can just click the sign up link right up here, and you can get started and sign in. Now, once you've been accepted to MaxBounty, you will see a page that looks something like this. Now, what you'll see is that you have your affiliate manager's information over here on the left. Once again, understand that affiliate managers are not going to show you how to get traffic. They're not going to help you get traffic. You're going to have to know how to promote affiliate offers. Your affiliate manager will boot you from the network if they find out that you don't know how to get traffic. And if you're looking up how to get traffic, make sure you check out my free traffic playlist, which is available once you subscribe to my channel and scroll down to the bottom of my channel page. You'll see there's a whole section of about 25 free traffic methods that work, and this is really the full list of free traffic methods that are available just, in general to get traffic to affiliate offers. There may be a few others, but I don't really think there are any others than these. So make sure you go through each of these videos. In this playlist, as I said, there's about 25 videos there that you can learn how to get free traffic. I also encourage you, check the link in the description to join our forums. We have a forum, we have a community. Please don't send me a message. I get thousands. Please don't send me a message. I'm not gonna come over and pat you on the back and give you a motivation, say, yeah, little buddy, here, let me motivate you and help you out one-on-one. I'm not going to do that. The closest you can come if you want to learn from me is take my course, the Super Affiliate System, which is $2,000. It's a 6-week course. It's step-by-step, and it gives you everything you need. If you don't have $2,000, then just Keep watching videos on affiliate marketing on my channel until you start making money. We have discussion areas for all the major types of ways to make money in. So without further ado, let's get into MaxBounty. Right at the top, they'll give you your ID. This is your affiliate ID right here. If anybody ever asks you, what is your affiliate ID? That's it. And I like how they show you a quick glance at your stats of how much money you've made today or yesterday, this month, etc. Now on the dashboard, what's also great is that you will see a number of sections such as top campaigns, okay? So if you are looking for the top campaigns or maybe recently trending campaigns, again, I know you're probably thinking, what is the best offer? Because you don't want to make a mistake. And one mentality shift is that if you're not willing to make mistakes, you shouldn't be an entrepreneur. You should forget about it. You're never going to be successful if you don't make mistakes. In fact, that's like, think about it from this perspective. If you want to get a girlfriend or a boyfriend, are you going to always say the perfect thing? Is the first girl you approach, you're going to get a date? If you're not willing to mess up once in a while, talking to girls or talking to guys or being in a relationship, then you're never going to find a wife because you're too scared. And I believe a lot of us have been trained to be really scared, by, our parents, the media, whatever. But that's cool because you can change that very easily. You're going to have to be willing to make mistakes. But let's check here, top campaigns. And here we see the top campaigns. So you'll see, not surprisingly, a weight loss offer called Nutrisystem is the top campaign here. And you can get paid $185 for one single sale. So you get one person to sign up for Nutrisystem and you're gonna make $185. You get one of those a day and you have a full-time income. How many people around the world want to lose weight or believe they are overweight or are somewhat self-conscious about their weight? I'd guess 90% of people or 80% of people in the world are somewhat self-conscious about their weight. So you have a pretty big audience and it's not going to go away until I don't know. I don't think it's ever going to go away. You have some other top campaigns here. You have a wall outlet plugin. You have inbox dollars, all these different offers here. You have an antivirus, McAfee antivirus, big brand right there. You can get 30 people to sign up for McAfee antivirus, and tens and tens and tens of millions of people have already signed up for McAfee antivirus. Same thing, I believe, with Nutrisystem. So again, these products sell, they're proven. All of these products are proven. So there's no reason not to make money with these. Let's look at OcoWatt. Okay. Now we'll see a few interesting things here. So they give you a preview of the actual offer page right here, which says instantly reduce your electric bill by up to 90%. And how many people would not be willing to reduce their electric bill? I'm guessing everybody on earth wants to reduce their electricity bill. So that, again, very broad offer, very easy angle to market. For getting somebody to want to reduce their electric bill 90%, you get $40, which is pretty good. Now, here's one of the terms we were going to explain, which is allowed traffic types. Now, what allowed traffic types means is that basically they will not allow email. Okay, so if you have an email list or if you're going to do kind of spam messaging, which I've showed in some other videos, they don't allow that sort of traffic type. If you are going to do contextual advertising, which is the same thing as search, I don't know, or native, whatever. I think of contextual advertising as native advertising. Social advertising means Facebook, mobile ads is, like push notes. We have search, we have display. So there's a lot of different ways you can do advertising for this. You cannot incentivize people to buy this. And an example of an incentive would be, if you put up an ad or a post that says, if you sign up for this, I'll give you a free $1,000 gift card to Amazon. Okay, that's an example of incentivized advertising. The reason people would buy the product is to get a $1,000 gift card, not because they actually want the product itself. Okay, and that sort of marketing is very bad. Now, daily cap is another term that I was going to discuss, and daily cap means how many sales can you send of this product a day. And in this case, you can sell as much as you possibly want. You also have some interesting information here, such as whether it's mobile optimized or not, and what the EPC is, meaning the network-wide earnings per click. Now, on average, marketers are getting $1 every time somebody clicks on their link. So if you're doing marketing, if you're using some of my promotional methods and you are not getting $1 per click, likely you are doing something wrong. And likely the thing you are doing wrong is you're not using a landing page, or your marketing isn't congruent with the offer, or you're not marketing to people that have any money. Another advanced term that I was going to mention was server-to-server tracking. What that really means is it's post-back tracking. So you can set a post-back pixel, which is very accurate, but in order to do server-to-server tracking, you usually have to have a click tracker. The most popular click trackers out there are Volume, okay, Click Magic. From what I understand, Volume is a popular tracking tool for affiliates, and Click Magic is another tracking tool, but they're not required to get started. Once again, once you start getting into some of the more advanced stuff like click tracking or training or advertising, you'll probably want to have a training course. I have a good training course on how to do affiliate marketing, and you'll want maybe a click tracker, maybe not. Also, the information of what countries you can get sales in is right here. This offer only accepts US traffic. Here's an example of what the offer looks like. Okay, so you'd be sending traffic to this page, instantly reduce your electric bill by up to 90%. And you will need to get somebody to pay for the product, which is, they say the most popular is $60, right? Or $40, right? And you get somebody to buy from any one of these buttons, but you get somebody to buy this product and you will get $40. So it's pretty fair, pretty aggressive commission rate, pretty awesome. To get your link to this product, you would just click here. You would say, okay, I'm advertising on search. Let's say I'm doing Bing ads or Google ads. I would say, just give me the raw link, and here's your affiliate link. And I just click copy, and I could, go over and put in my affiliate link, and voila, there we go. And if somebody buys after clicking my affiliate link, then I make $40. So that's it for the network. Now, once again, if you want to apply to this affiliate network, make sure you go to johncrestani.com/networks, and you will be brought over to this page, which will give you links to apply to any affiliate network. Just click the link. I suggest you apply for as many affiliate networks as you possibly can, just so you can get accepted to some, and also so you can get their newsletters where they update you on what the top performing offers are. Okay, so I suggest you apply for all of these networks. Also, if you're looking for help to get accepted as an affiliate, once again, look at this, folks. Please, if I see another comment of somebody saying, does this work in my country? Please, I am literally going to come over to Sri Lanka and slap you. Okay, if I get another person from Sri Lanka or frickin' India asking me, does this work in my country? I will fly over there and I will slap you, because I'm tired of that question just spamming my channel. I've literally blocked the word India and blocked the word Sri Lanka on my channel because so many Indians and Sri Lankans ask me, does this work in my country? I have it right here, excluded countries, okay? None for most networks, right? ClickBank and Digistore do exclude Sri Lanka and India, I believe. These other ones don't, so just stop asking me. In order to easier to get accepted to affiliate networks, I've prepared a resource guide for you. Go down here to where it says resources and click this button, okay, where it says how to get accepted as an affiliate, okay? I've prepared a document here for you with a bunch of information how to get accepted as an affiliate by affiliate networks to help you in your journey to be successful. Also, I suggest you share some of these documents in the Reddit community affiliate marketing. The Reddit community affiliate marketing is a great community. They hate me. They even say, don't spam. Look at this. If you're posting about John Crestani or any other code, is automatically considered spam. If you all could do me a favor and just talk about how great I am in this Reddit community, or just post a link and say, hey, this guy John Crestani shared this really great document. I figured I'd share it with you guys. That would be fantastic, because these guys are really annoying me because they don't allow me to post in this community anymore, even though I've done affiliate marketing longer than probably any of the moderators. So if you could just troll on these guys, that would be really awesome. I'd really enjoy that. And if you're going to troll on a Reddit community, type in troll in the comments below. Also, if you'd like to get access to my free traffic methods, make sure you click the subscribe button. It will show up somewhere on this video, or you could go to my channel page and subscribe to me, and that'll give you access to the free traffic methods playlist right here, which is at the very bottom of my channel. And this has about 25 different free traffic methods. If you are looking to get traffic to your affiliate link, this will show you how to get people, real people, to click on your link that can buy. I don't know if you've seen our community lately, but we've been having so many success stories of people. Every day I'm posting, hey John, I made my first sale, posting about some of the books. This is what I looked like, by the way, back in the day. Second sale, hundreds of dollars. Another person, you helped me make my first commission in affiliate marketing. Joined a few months ago, made $1,700 in sales. We have so many people reporting profits. Here's another person who earned their first $281. Another person earning their first $45. Another person past 2 months to $20K. So we have a lot of success stories coming out of this channel. But once again, you won't make any money if you don't get started, if you don't get over your own fear of getting started. I understand a lot of people are taking action, but many of you are not. And the easiest way to do things is just fail constantly. Again, you catch more fish if you're out on the boat fishing than if you're sitting on the couch watching fishing videos. Okay, so the same thing applies to affiliate marketing. You're gonna make a lot more money if you're actually out there marketing than if you're sitting on the couch watching videos. Also, we set up a community for you. If you go to the link in the description, you'll get access to the Discord channel, which is my own community I set up for you to actually interact with other community members, because I get so many messages. I'm not going to talk to you. I'm not going to hang out with you. I'm not going to be out there and be your friend, but I want to create a community for you to connect with other affiliate marketers to learn affiliate marketing in. Again, we have discussion channels, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, FBA, money-making apps, where you can discuss with folk about all the different ways that you can make money. And people are sharing a lot in here, and I implore you, get involved with this and add value. The more value you add to a community, the more you will get back. Asking and taking value is so, it's very off-putting, whereas the more value you add, the more you'll find people want to work with you and they understand and perceive you as an action taker. Okay, so get involved in those communities, subscribe and comment, and let me know what was the most helpful about this video. Do you like the resources? You want me to dive more into the different resources I've made available for you to help you become successful? Would you like me to spend more time doing a walkthrough and explaining all the different things, ins and outs of, the different traffic sources and, server to server tracking and sub IDs and all that sort of stuff? Or would you like me to spend more time talking about how to get accepted? Or is it just right? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe. And also, if you want to watch my live streams and ask me questions live, I've started making myself available on Monday mornings to talk with everyone. So make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be on these weekly live streams we have, and I'll answer your questions live. Or I'll just make fun of you if it's not a good question. It's like, where do I start? Because that's scarcity mindset. I will ask me, if you ask me where to start, I'll freak out. But you can do that if you want to raise my blood pressure on these live streams. Hope you have a good day. Stay tuned, subscribe, and talk to you in future videos.